Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So for today, I'm going to be doing another trendy pop nail art, but using brown. I've seen these all over the internet. I know you guys have been seeing them all over social media, and I just wanted to try a different color instead of the traditional pastel colors. So I'm going to use brown this time. But for these nails, I am going to try these Amazon full cover tips in this I believe it was like a beige color. I think it's called beige, but I'll leave the link below. So I wanted to try, or find a full cover tip that has this tan color to it, or a colored full tip, just like the appraise. So I did find these on Amazon, and I'm doing the bend test, and it seems pretty good. So it's bendable at the cuticle area and hard at the tip, and if you can see inside, it is matte, so you don't have to mat the nail, which is a plus. That means that the glue will most likely stick better than when it's on the shiny surface. But I don't know how matte this it actually is. I never usually buy them matte because I prefer to do it myself, knowing that it will stay longer. But as usual, I'm not going to need them for long, as I'm always doing my nails. And so I'm going to be using my peel off base from Born Pretty to adhere the nails. And so basically I'm putting some of the peel off base into the well, and then I am going to place it on, at a 45 degree nail from cuticle, and press it downwards to cover the entire nail, and then place it in my lamp for 30 seconds. And I continue to do that to each nail. And as you can see, I'm also wearing my MelodySusie UV LED glove protector, so it protects me from the lamp, because like I said, I'm always doing my nails, and I just want to protect my hands while I'm doing these great videos in nail contact. So now, once I've placed on all my tips, I am going in with my 100 grit nail file and filing those sides into a perfect stiletto. And as you guys can see, I'm also using my I believe it's from Amazon, but this is the dust collector, and it's helped me so much. I was using it at work, that's why you guys wouldn't see it. But now that I'm not in the salon anymore, I brought all my products home. So now I'm using the dust collector, and I highly recommend it, especially when you're filing so much. You don't want to breathe that in, and it's just going to help a lot with cleaning up. So now I'm going in with my Erica bit, the diamond bit, and I love this bit so much. It helps to clean up that cuticle area and seal the cuticle area. It is, I believe, an extra fine grit because you barely feel it. So like I said, I'm just cleaning up the area, making sure if any of that extra gel that came out or spilled out is filed off, and just making that cuticle area flushed and sealed. So for this nail design, I will be using my ROSALIND brown gel collection, and you guys can check out my previous video of me swatching all these beautiful colors. So I decided that since I'm doing brown nails, I might as well use this brown collection. So they had a really nice black and white, so that's what I'm going to use, and the brown, and they had a caramel brown, a dark brown and a caramel brown. Like I said, you guys can always check out my previous videos to see the swatches. So I'm just taking the colors that I'm going to use, and I'm going to place it on my little palette here. And for this design, I decided that instead of the traditional full cover pop art nail design, I'm going to do a French nail design pop art. And that is just, you know, this trendy design that's been going all over. Like I said, I saw this French and it was in brown color. So I was like, oh, let me try these out. So I'm just taking my number 16. It's like a caramel tan color. And now I'm going to make a French tip out of this color, and I'm going to do this for the rest of the nails. I am going to cure it for 30 seconds and then do another coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So now once the French is all done, I'm going to go in with this brown color. And if you guys remember in my previous, when I was swatching them, my previous video, I did say that the brown wasn't as opaque. But since I'm putting it on top of a color, it should be perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to take this brown and I'm going to put it on the side. So I'm making like a diagonal and placing it on the right hand side of the nail, and I'm just doing that to all of the nails. Now I'm going in with 03, which is the black. And remember, guys, I was raving about this black because it was so opaque. Highly recommend this black. So impressed with this black. It's hard to find a good black that doesn't look blue or a different color. This is like definitely black. So now what I'm going to do with the black is basically outline the entire nail and including the French. So instead of just going around the nail, I'm going to also outline that French part, as you see that I'm doing here. So I'm going to outline the French and also around the cuticle area and the entire nail. And I'm just going to do that for all of the nails and cure for 60 seconds. Now next, I am going to take the black and make a accent line around that cuticle. This is what pulls off that realistic crayon pastel look, which they call pop art. And so as you can see, so I'm just making like this, I don't know, crescent shape black line around the right side, and that's going to give it that definition or that realistic art. And I'm also going to make a black line right at the end here, as you can see. So in my last previous trendy art, they told me that I missed the black line. So I'm doing it this time in this nail design. And these are coming out so beautiful, guys. Oh, look at that. They look really, really good, really realistic. Perfect. So now I'm going in with my white. And like I said in my previous video, also, I like this white. It doesn't have that yellow color when after you cure it. So I definitely recommend this white too, guys. So now I'm just going to make that line, that white line above, on the left hand side now, above the black. And I'm just going to create that line not too far down. And I'm just going to do that for all of the nails. And then I'm also going to use my dotter tool and create a dot at the end to create that realistic pop art. And I know I keep saying that, but you know, this is the components that you need to create that pop art look. So this is how they look. They are coming out so cute. I'm so impressed with them. So before I put on my matte coat, I am going to go in with my non-wipe regular clear top coat, and this is just going to help me smooth out the surface before I matte top coat. And I definitely recommend this just because, like I said, it smooths out any of that polish that might be lumpy or bumpy, and just gives it a better finish for your matte top coat. So once this is done, I cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with my Born Pretty matte top coat, top coating all of the nails for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna come back and check out the final look. And now, guys, this is the final look. I am so impressed with them. I did not know how the brown was going to come out, if it was going to look decent or, but these look really cool. I like them a lot. Like I said, I saw these all over Instagram, the different colors that they have been using for this design, and I love it. These are really, really pretty. I love my stiletto shape in them. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.